Hello friends, day 125. I made a really early start this morning. That was partly because Big Agnes II was feeling very deflated. So I've got to check that out this evening. Anyway, I was on the road by 6:45, which is just as well because I've had a long day today to get to Worcester. I must say I do like Kinver Edge. It's a lovely area and I think I'm going to go back there in the boat sometime. On my route today I met a group of the 15th Lincoln Scouts and Wayfarers Explorers, and they were off on a walk along the Severn Way. I hope they enjoyed their day. As you can see, I keep a couple of pegs on the outside of my rucksack that are useful for putting the flap of the tent back, and when I stopped for lunch I found I'd gained an extra peg, and look, 15th Lincoln Scouts. Somebody must have sneaked it on whilst I was chatting with them. So thank you very much guys, that will remind me of you all the time I look at it. I also met some guys at a pub I passed who insisted on buying me a cider. Thank you very much. The Severn Way's been pretty good most of the way. A couple of sections a bit overgrown, and there was one section that was actually supposed to be closed, but as I didn't want to spend loads of time going around the diversion, I chanced it and managed to hack my way through. So tonight I'm in Worcester, and let's have a look at where I've been, and I will see you on the trail. So my room with a view tonight does actually have a view. It's a travel lodge and I can see the cathedral. Not much else, but it's functional, and I've booked the all-you-can-eat breakfast, so that's good.